Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by identifying the SSD and collecting tools, a PC, SATA or NVMe adapter, and a backup destination. Use Smart to record current health so you know whether firmware or hardware is failing. Once done, make sure to copy critical files off the disk. You will change file system flags and run repairs that can overwrite data. After the drive is connected and recognized, open a terminal or disk management so you can run the next commands immediately without interruptions. You now remove software-level read-only flags. On Windows, run diskpart as admin and issue attributes disk clear read-only. Make sure the volume is offline first. On Linux, inspect dmesc for kernel messages, then try hdparm or sdparm to clear read-only hardware locks. If the device reports I/O errors, do not force writes. Once cleared, run chkdsk/f on Windows or fscky on Linux to repair file system metadata. You finish by addressing firmware and controller level issues. If the drive remains read-only, download the manufacturer update tool and apply firmware carefully. That can clear controller bugs causing read-only mode. If firmware does not help, perform a secure erase or ATA secure purge to reset the internal state. Remember, this destroys all data. After that, reinitialize partitions and run Smart and a short benchmark to confirm writability. If problems persist, consider a warranty RMA or replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: check Smart Attribute 5 and 197 for reallocated and pending sectors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.